So this presentation is called My LED Light Game by me. This is called the Robotic System Development Life Cycle, and it is what engineers use to make technology. And I use this to make my LED light game. Stuff about me. My name is Chelsea. I am 10 years old. I am going into 5th grade. I like cats. Therefore, meow is the answer to everything. My goal. My goal, which I did not know until I was on around step 3 in building, was to make an LED light game. My design. My mentor gave me challenges to do, which turned out to be steps for the LED light game. Using the challenges, I built the LED circuits and managed to make an extremely difficult game, which sometimes I reprogram for fun and make it practically impossible to beat. This is my LED light game, and this big board over here is called a breadboard, and this chip over here is called a Raspberry Pi. I use 7 LED lights, which are over here, and the middle one is green, while the other 6 are pink.
Louder.
I use 9 M and M2M cables, which are these, and I use 10 M2F cables, which are these many ones. I use 1 computer to program it and 1 push button down here. I use $67,234 of my brain power and $3,092 of my mentor's brain power. Programming. In the programming, we listed all the LED lights due to which GPIO they were plugged into. We used an index, which is like a secret code with variables that the computer could understand. More on this later. We also use the if statement so that when we press the button, the light would stop. The if statement uses a break, which stops the program but keeps the light on, so we know which light we press, so we know if we won or not. What? Oh, this is my program. So here's the break. As you can see, this is the if statement. Problems I encountered. 1. Sometimes when a light was supposed to stay on, it didn't even light up. 2. My mentor, aka Jonathan, did some fixing and strangely made a light stay on when it wasn't supposed to. He had been trying to fix something else, and it was because when we lost, the light telling us that we won, we would light up. When I won, it would say I lost, and vice versa. The solution to the problems. Number 1, we made indexes so the computer would be sure if we won or not. The indexes were the secret code I talked about earlier, and those helped the computer recheck it. Let the computer knew if the if we won or not. BTW, if you haven't realized, it solved problem 1 and 2. Number 2, I switched print you lose with print you win. Play. I enjoyed the step the most since I got to play. I played this with my friends and we had lots of fun. Play was an important step since it helped us test it and find problems. Times I went through RSDLC. A lot, around 50-ish times. Thank you for listening.